Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Docs. And in this video, I will show you how to add clickable link to your file in Google Docs. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you highlight the text you want to use. So I'm going to highlight this purchase, or better say, I'm going to highlight this instrument right here. Having highlighted the text, next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on insert link right here. And this is going to open up right here. Then from your Google Drive, you can insert a particular link from your Google Drive file right here. So these are files from my Google Drive. Alternatively, you can go ahead and copy and paste the link right here. Now, let's say, for instance, I want to get a particular, so I'm going to come to my new address bar right here. Let's say, for instance, I'm going to visit this particular website. So I want to add this particular website as the table link. So I'm going to go ahead and come to the website URL right here. I will right click. I will make sure I click on copy. And the next thing I'm going to do is come back to my Google Docs right here. I will right click in this search right here, and I'll make sure I paste successfully paste. I will go ahead and click on apply right here. Once I hit on apply, it has been fully added into the Google Docs right here. So if I click on the link right here and I go ahead and click on this, and it's going to redirect me to the same particular link right here. So even if I save this file in PDF or Docs or any format, so each time anybody over mouse onto the link right here and you click on it, it will redirect them to that particular link that has been added. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.